Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can crop in Canva. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for canva.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, open a recent project from the web page and the editing window will open up. In order to crop an image, you just need to click and drag the four handles around the image, and that's it. You can also double-click on the image to crop it if you prefer. Another method is to select the image and click on the crop icon at the top of the screen. Now, if you are a Canva Pro user, there is an additional feature available to you. You can crop the background from the foreground. For that, click on the edit icon at the top and select background removal from the right side panel. After that, the Canva AI will automatically remove the background from your image. So that's basically how you can crop in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.